Yo, have you ever wanted to show off in front of your crush and do this? Well, now you can after watching this video. Let's go. Yo, what's up guys? Aaron, How To's by Bros. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to do a backflip step by step for kids. Easy tutorial. I'm gonna let you know this is the easiest way to do a backflip. How to do a backflip step by step, easy for kids. Step by step for kids, easy. What you're gonna do, you're gonna practice on the trampoline. Make sure you can do it on the trampoline. We have plenty of tutorials on our channel. Go check out our channel, more videos, but do a backflip on the trampoline first before you take it on ground. So the ground tutorial, this is how to do a backflip on ground. You learn it on the trampoline. Next step is a mattress. Next step is grass, and most people can't get to a mattress, let alone ground, but this video is gonna help you. So first of all, what you're gonna do is, like you've seen in our other videos, you're gonna start by going to the side like this, and then just keep getting more and more vertical. Keep getting more up and more backwards with it, vertical, where you're almost doing a back handspring. So you start to the side like this and like this. That was the worst back handspring alive, but you get the picture. That wasn't even a back handspring, but you get the picture. I was just demonstrating. I'll do it one more time. Actually, no, it's slippery right now, so it's kind of hard. It's the best way to learn how to do a backflip. That's another way is you can do it off a swing, or you can change the swing and then just do a backflip out of that. So I'll show you the backflip. That many backflips today, so that was pretty bad, but I'll do it again. Really bad again, but you get the picture. It's still a backflip, okay? So now you're gonna be able to show off in front of your friends, show off in front of your crush. I'd say it's 80% mental. As long as you're in decent shape and can jump 15 inches, should be able to do the backflip. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, hit that notifications bell for more videos, and I'll talk to you guys later. God bless.